Hey guys, I'm glad you clicked on this video because in it, I'm going to be showing you what is, in my opinion, the best home-based business opportunity for the year 2020. I'm so excited about it that I'm out here on a Sunday morning. Today is April the 26th, and I don't care that it's raining right now because I'm doing $20,000 a month in revenue consistently, and I'm going to show you right now how I do it. We're going to go into it. We're going to make it simple, easy, and everything you need to know is going to be right here. And let's just get into it. So if you look in my van, you can see that I have products loaded to the gills, literally. I took this section out and I decided, you know what, let me share this. So what I do is buy and sell on Amazon, and you can do it too. Now, you may be familiar with it. I mean, let's face it, everybody's familiar with Amazon, but maybe you're not taking advantage of it. I'm going to give the reasons why I feel that this is the best home-based business opportunity. It's easy to get started. We're going to get going, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how I do it. And what we're going to do is we're going to get inside, and then we're going to start going over the reasons why this is such a great opportunity for you. Because you have to understand, I'm doing this as a side hustle. I work as a full-time truck driver, and then I'm consistently doing 20,000 plus in revenue per month, and you can be doing it too. So you should be happy, you should be excited, and you need to pat yourself on the back because you chose to click on this video instead of a funny cat video or some other garbage. You chose to watch something that's going to show you opportunity, that's going to give you a chance to make a better life for yourself. That's what it's all about today, taking advantage of today's technology and getting on board with a leader in commerce and figuring out how you can add value to society. So let's get inside. We're going to get everything unloaded, and then I'm going to give you some real examples of what you can be doing. This is going to be fun, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out and staying with the video. You really ought to thank yourself for that because you're going to find out exactly how I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm going to give an overview, but before we get into the reasons why I feel that Amazon is the best home-based business opportunity in 2020, I'm going to actually be transparent with you, and I'm going to show you the kind of money that I'm making, the type of revenue that I'm generating on a regular and consistent basis. And you can see everything that I had out in the mystery van, I brought in. That was Sunday, and I'm continuing to make this video, but just to be completely transparent, not only do I show you how to do this stuff, but I'm a working class hustler myself, just like you. I work a regular job, and I have to do these videos when I can. So please be patient with me, and I get these out just as soon as I can. But I started this video last Sunday. Well, here it is Wednesday, and I'm filming the next segment. So actually today is April the 29th, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my back office. If you're not familiar with Amazon, as a seller, you have access to almost like a portal. It's called Amazon Seller Central, and that's where you do all of the work that you're going to do. And I just want to show you how my back office looks. And so you can see that today is the 29th of April, and you can see what my current balance is. Amazon pays out every 2 weeks. You can see what my most recent disbursement was. You can see how many units I've sold today, and then you get the breakdown over the last 7 days, 15 days, and over the last 30 days. So if you take today and you go back 30 days, I have sold 1,026 units, and for a total revenue of $21,689.28. And if we're not going to get into it today, but these are numbers that I generate consistently. If you follow the channel, you'll see it all the time. So I encourage you to stay with me if you're serious about this. I'm a regular guy just like you. Subscribe to the channel. Watch the videos on Saturdays. We go live. That way you can ask questions and we can really delve in deep. But for this video, we're going to start talking about the reasons why. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I have a list of reasons. So, I'm just going to kind of read off my list here, and just bear with me because this is going to be good for you. You need to understand what's going on and why you would want to pick Amazon as your way to generate that extra income stream. That way you can get positive cash flow and you can start doing the things that you want to do. So let's go over some of the reasons why. Number one, when you partner with Amazon, now follow me on this. When you partner with Amazon, you're on with a winner. Now I want you to think about this. Okay, everybody knows Amazon. Everybody trusts Amazon. Think about the power that you're putting behind you. Okay, Amazon is the #1 e-commerce retailer in the U.S. and in 2020, and they're only growing. Okay, think about this. 9 out of 10 consumers price check a product on Amazon. Amazon is the first place consumers go when comparing prices, and you probably have done it yourself. Okay, take a look at Amazon's stock price at the close of last Friday. Okay, today's date, and I talk about last Friday. You're talking about over $2,400 a share. When I first started this channel, which was back in 2017, I think it was around $1,600 to $1,700 a share, and that was impressive. So you can see how they're continuing to grow in value. Okay, look at this year, Amazon became worth $1 trillion. So you can see Amazon is here to stay, and even in our current situation, I'm talking COVID-19, Amazon has shown its importance to the marketplace. So when you're on with them, you're actually providing value. You're adding value, especially during times of crisis. I feel great knowing that I'm helping Americans get the products that they need. This is really, really significant, guys. This is important for you to think about when you're considering what the opportunities here. Okay. Number two, you can start right now. You don't have to take a lot of complicated steps, okay? It's no harder to get started on Amazon than it is on eBay or any other selling platform. In fact, if you watch the next video, I'm going to show you the steps to picking a product that will sell and make you a profit. Amazon is pretty much the only business that you can start today and start generating a profit within a month's time. Okay, there's no advertisement. Okay, I started numbering these. Don't worry about the numbers. I'm just going to give you the points and not try to keep up with number one, number two. Just stay with me on the points. So there's no advertisement cost. When with Amazon, you can reach well over 300 million shoppers, and you don't have to spend one dime on marketing. Plus, you don't have to deal with merchant accounts or find a way to accept credit card payments. Amazon already does all of that because this is their market. It's not yours. They allow you to offer products to their customers. And over 50% of the products that are sold on Amazon are sold by third-party sellers. That's you. Okay, think about that. Over 50% of the products that are sold on Amazon today are sold by third-party sellers. And they even do all the work for you. Let me explain that. All you have to do is send the inventory into Amazon's warehouse. And when the customer orders, Amazon takes care of everything. Okay. Now we're talking picking, packing, shipping, payment processing, questions, order returns, soup to nuts. They take care of it all. But you do have the option to ship the product yourself. Maybe you might make a better profit, we talk about that. We've been talking about that here recently, because you can do both, and that way you take advantage where you want to. Okay? And Amazon sells just about everything, which means you can sell just about everything. In fact, watch that video, the next video. Like I said, like I just mentioned, I'm going to show you the steps where you can pick a product that will sell and make you a profit. So, in fact, let me give you an example of that. Watch this, guys. So this product, this was one of the products that you saw me take out of the mystery van. Okay, it's Javalia Cafe at Home Vanilla Frappe. It's an 8 count. Now, let me show that to you real quick, just so you know what we got going on here. This is that product, okay? And you can see what I paid. I paid $1.99 for that product. And as you can see, it's an 8 count, okay? Just like you see in the picture, okay? Now, I'm going to get into this more in the next video, but what I want you to pay attention to right now is the price. Now, this particular product has a buy box. That means that if you just click the add to cart button, it's going to add the product to your cart. Now, you've got 5 people selling this product. So when the customer just hits add to cart, who gets the sale? Most likely it's going to be the person that has Prime next to theirs. Prime means that the product is actually in Amazon's warehouse, and they're going to do the picking and the packing and everything that I was telling you that Amazon would do for you. Now, in this case, that's Amazon themselves. I have no problem listing right alongside of Amazon. You see the kind of numbers that I do? I'm telling you, there's no reason. And Amazon wants you to be successful, so do not shy away. Some people don't like selling alongside Amazon because they don't think that Amazon would share with them. Trust me, Amazon has nothing to gain by keeping you from being successful. If they keep you from being successful, what are you going to do? Fail and leave the platform. That's not good for them, and that's not good for their customers. They love the fact that, hey, when they run out of product, you've still got some. So here's my point. When we decide to list the product, I'm going to list it right alongside of Amazon. And let me show you something else real quick, just so that you understand, because it's important to know. I found this product in the store. So how did I make the choice to buy this product in the store? Right here with my phone. Let me show you what I did. Amazon gives you a free app so that you can scan a product. All you do is scan the barcode, and then you get all of the information through your, what they call their seller app. Okay. And we get into that, and we're going to get into that more in the next video. But just to let you know, everything you need is right on the phone in your pocket. So now let's take a look. You saw I paid $1.99 for this product, and I'm going to list it right alongside of Amazon. And get this, you see this, well, you probably can't see it right now. Let me do something real quick so you can see, because I want you to see what I'm doing here. I'm just going to open that up a little more. Now, look at up in the corner here. That is a Chrome extension. That extensions are what's putting these charts on my screen. Okay. Normally you won't see all of this information, but these are screens that show you data, and I teach all of that right on this channel. So make sure you subscribe, guys. This is real stuff, and this is going to make you an expert, and you can do the same thing that I do. But here's what I want to show you. There's a software that I teach and I love. It's called Tactical Arbitrage, and it comes with an extension. Now watch what happens when we click on the extension. A box opens up and you get a history chart so that you can see what's been going on as far as how the price has been moving, how where Amazon has had it. Look at right here. You can see what the estimated monthly sales are. Okay, so you can do the math. If they're estimating that 57 units are sold a month, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now with me, that's going to be 6 people, you can figure out about approximately how many I'm going to sell in a month's time. And that's going to help you make your buying decision. Okay, but now let's get into the calculation here. Amazon is going to give you access to some software, which is called their revenue calculator. That way you can make sure that you're going to make money. Now remember, we said we were going to get in right with Amazon at $13.14. So you put $13.14 here. It's going to cost me about 50 cents to ship it into Amazon. Why so cheap? Because I ship in volume and I use Amazon's UPS account. They actually allow you as a seller to use their deeply discounted rates. I mean, you could never get rates like this on your own. And then remember the cost of the product, $1.99. We'll click calculate and look at. We're going to make $6 after all expenses. So we just took $2 and turned it in to $6. Okay. So we just got a margin of 46.27%. So you think about the numbers that you saw. If I'm averaging, and I'm not saying that I am, but if I was averaging 46.27% margins on $21,000. So, this is a real viable business, guys. You can do this. Now, what you want to do at this point, you want to go ahead and watch the next video where I show you exactly how to pick products to make a profit. So I'll see you in the next video. Click here to watch the next video and become an expert at tactical arbitrage.